Bye, they were 60 for this. Bye, Daddy.
Hi, good afternoon ladies. Welcome to the Cheesecake Factory. By the way, my name is Gretchen and I'll be your server for today. Take your time to watch like the most of the menu. I'll be back whenever you're ready to order. But if you like our breakfast, today we have a special Saturday breakfast like pancakes and waffles. And for the soup, we have our chicken tortilla soup. But many of our popular dishes are in the lunch portion, which is served until 5 p.m. It's a smaller version of our full dishes. And take your time, I'll be back whenever you're ready to order.
We'll try your breakfast today. Let's go for Monte Cristo sandwich. Breakfast potatoes or tomatoes? Potatoes or tomatoes? Breakfast potatoes, please. One giant Belgian waffles with strawberries.
Please let me repeat the order. So one giant Belgian waffles with strawberries and one Monte Cristo sandwich with breakfast potatoes. I'm just gonna need it for a moment. Would you like some bread while you are waiting for them?
Okay.
Thank you. I'll leave one menu just in case you want to have an additional order. Thank you. Hi ladies, here's your fresh bread and butter. Here, enjoy. Thank you. Thank you. Have your giant Belgian waffles with strawberry.
Support each other.